Do you want to know how I healed my PCOS symptoms forever using a natural and effective PCOS Repair Protocol? And not only that, I'll show you how you can too. My name is Tam Woods and I've been exactly where you are right now. Confused and wondering how I would get out of this PCOS nightmare I seem to just wake up in one morning. I get it. The world is an incredibly confusing place for women trying to heal their PCOS. Trust me, I've been there. There is so much misinformation, from fad diets like going strictly gluten or dairy free to being told by your doctor that you need to just lose some weight without any actual guidance on how to do that. It's next to impossible to find reliable advice without spending thousands of dollars to see specialist after specialist after specialist, while nothing seems to get better. Well, thankfully, you no longer have to deal with any of that. If you're looking for a system that uses only the most up-to-date scientific evidence on how to support PCOS without deprivation diets, crazy exercise routines, or giving up on the foods you love, you've come to the right place. As a woman with PCOS like you, I'm guessing my story is pretty similar to yours. 10 years ago, I was on the verge of giving up on my PCOS and just living with my symptoms. I was ready to accept my tired, babyless, unhappy life as my reality. My skin was covered with acne, my hair was falling out everywhere, my cycles were all over the place, and my doctors told me I would have a hard time falling pregnant. I was done with looking for quick fixes like miracle skin creams, quick fix diet advice, hair growth pills, weight loss programs, clay cleansers, juice cleansers, tea cleansers. I saw countless doctors, specialists, nutritionists, naturopaths, and health coaches. I spent tens of thousands of dollars trying to heal my PCOS, and I tried literally everything. But before giving up, I decided to take one last shot at healing my symptoms, even though everyone was telling me it was impossible. I wasn't ready to accept that. This decision ended up steering me down a 10-year journey to where I am now. I spent a decade working around the clock to figure out what was wrong with me. I spent years sifting through all the information out there and separating the helpful advice from the harmful. I was determined to figure out what would be most impactful in healing my symptoms. 2 university degrees, additional postgraduate study, and tens of thousands of hours of research later, I had my answers. And the crazy part was, healing my PCOS wasn't that complicated at all. I just needed to be given the right advice, but no one was providing it. As it turns out, I had been treating my symptoms without any understanding of what was actually causing the breakouts, the irregular cycles, and the hair loss. I discovered that healing your PCOS symptoms doesn't actually have to be that hard. In fact, you can heal your PCOS by making simple and targeted diet and lifestyle tweaks. And this works when you understand what is actually causing your PCOS symptoms and treat this root cause instead of just trying to mask your symptoms. In my research, I discovered that there are 4 distinct types of PCOS that manifest in similar symptoms but are caused by different underlying root causes that are unique to each woman. Through testing and experimentation, I discovered that high stress hormones were at the heart of my personal PCOS symptoms. This meant that the high intensity workouts, the restrictive diets, and the huge amounts of pressure I was putting on myself weren't just not helping my PCOS, they were actually making it worse. It turns out the standard diet and exercise advice doesn't work for us PCOS sisters. The way our bodies use sugar, burn calories, manage stress hormones, and control inflammation isn't the same as our non-PCOS friends. We need a specialized approach that supports our unique hormonal condition. Over the next few years, I tested out the protocols on myself and my one-to-one clients. I discovered that by addressing the root cause of PCOS, as well as following specialized PCOS-friendly diet and lifestyle advice, it is possible to reverse the frustrating symptoms that come with this syndrome. The thing that most women with PCOS don't realize is that they're stuck in a cycle of treating their symptoms. The key is to break that cycle and start treating the root cause instead. Only then is it possible to take back control and experience lasting relief. Since then, I have worked with thousands of women with PCOS in my clinical nutrition practice with this approach in mind. After seeing these women's results, I spent countless hours documenting my new way of managing PCOS. I took my initial approach and partnered with doctors and naturopaths to create the protocol I'm here to share with you. The PCOS Repair Protocol treats the root cause of your PCOS and not just your symptoms. The system works like this. Step 1, reduce androgens for fast symptom relief. In women with PCOS, high levels of androgens, or male hormones like testosterone, contribute to the frustrating symptoms like acne, hair changes, irregular cycles, and weight gain. While ultimately, we want to identify what is triggering your body to overproduce androgens and reverse this. This takes time. In the short term, blocking the effects of excess androgens can help with symptom relief in as little as 48 hours. This relief will give you the headspace to dig deeper and work out your root cause. Step 2. Discover your unique root cause. This step will help you understand which of the 4 most common root causes of PCOS you have. We'll then create an individualized plan for you to address your root cause in the next step. Step 3, healing your root cause. Now that you have a clearer idea of what's driving your symptoms, it's time to develop an individualized protocol based on your PCOS type. This is the juicy part of the protocol and where you will start to notice your life truly changing for the better. Step 4. Connect and support. The final step of the PCOS protocol is to join a supportive community to ensure that you have everything you need to stay on track. And step 4 is an important step because you are not alone in this. There are millions of women out there who are with you on this journey. It is crucial to have the support of a community behind you on your journey, and you do not want to have to work this all out on your own. So what I've done is gone ahead and put everything you need into the PCOS Repair Protocol book that you can get right here on this page. I will walk you through step by step how to heal your PCOS symptoms forever using my evidence-based protocol. I haven't left anything out. This is not another quick fix solution. This is not another fad diet. This is an evidence-based system that you are getting full access to in the PCOS Repair Protocol book. I want to tell you a little about what's in the book, just so I can highlight how much I've shared. In chapter 3, I break down how to get instant relief from some of PCOS's most frustrating issues like skin breakouts, hair loss, weight gain, and irregular cycles. In chapter 7, I walk you through exactly how to determine which root cause is driving your PCOS. From chapter 13, I help you create an individualized protocol to reverse your PCOS symptoms based on your root cause. In chapter 21, we look at how women with PCOS can boost their fertility naturally using the protocol. In chapter 12, I share a secret hack for how to make all your meals PCOS friendly so you never feel deprived. In chapter 20, I break down what the research shows is the best type of exercise for PCOS. And there's so much more amazing stuff in there, including a crazy amount of step-by-step information to heal your PCOS for good. Now, I wanted this book to give you all the support you need for your PCOS, but I realized there's only so much I could share without making it too long. So when you buy the book, I've included some incredible bonuses to help bolster the advice in the book and further individualize the protocol to suit you. With every book purchase, you get the Fertility Fast Start, my signature mini course on how to get pregnant naturally with PCOS. No matter how wonky your cycles are, you're getting that for free. You'll also get my PCOS weight loss cheat sheet, which goes deep into the scientifically proven best ways to lose weight and keep it off. Hint, it doesn't involve starving yourself. You also get that for free. You'll get my secret hacks to banish sugar cravings for free. You'll also get access to our Facebook community for free, where you can ask questions directly to our team of PCOS specialists, nutritionists, and naturopaths at any time. You also get the support of thousands of other women on your journey in the Facebook group to cheer you on. You'll also get my method to transform all of your favorite foods into PCOS-friendly meals, plus my favorite breakfast, lunch, and dinner recipes. And finally, you get my 2-part masterclass on how to banish hormonal acne and hair loss forever. Of course, you guessed it, that also comes free with the book. Okay, worried you'll get this book and realize it's not for you? Or think this offer just sounds a little bit too good to be true? I've spent so much money on programs that didn't work in the past myself, so I'd be skeptical too. But don't worry, I've got you covered, girl. Here's my guarantee. Get your copy of the PCOS Repair Protocol, go through it all, apply what you learn, and if you're not blown away by what you discover, then just shoot me an email and request a refund at any time for the rest of your life. We'll refund your full payment and let you keep the PCOS Repair Protocol content free of charge, plus all the bonuses. A lifetime guarantee, it's that simple. So go ahead and get your copy of the PCOS Repair Protocol now. You have absolutely nothing to lose. Right now, you have 2 choices. Number 1, don't get this book and keep living your life with your symptoms, suffering in silence, and spending years like I did trying to figure it all out yourself. Or number 2, get this book absolutely risk-free for the rest of your life and take that first step to thriving with your PCOS by joining a community of women who are following a proven protocol to heal their symptoms forever. Supporting your PCOS isn't nearly as complicated as it sounds. You just need the right evidence-based information and guidance. This book bundle will not be this price for long, so it's time to make that decision. Let's do this. I cannot wait to support you.